Paskong Ibaeño. Starting off with Honorable Mayor Jane Casas, remembers the ornaments of unity which serve as the symbol of teamwork and commitment. For special guests and partners led by Congressman Caloy Bolilla, we have the Light of Love. And of course, from the representative of Archdiocesan Shrine and Parish of St. James the Greater, the ornaments of wishes for their dreams and prayers. Once again, our care ornaments that highlights the uniqueness of our giant Christmas tree of care. At ito na, Bayan ng Ibaan. Inaanyahan po natin ang ating mga lingkod bayan dito sa gitna to officially light up our giant Christmas tree at lahat ng dekorasyon dito sa ating People's Park. So samahan niyo po ako bumilang from 10 to 1. Open ang ating mga cameras. Make sure na napindot o mapipindot niyo po ang video button. Excited na ba kayong lahat? More energy, everyone! At ito na ang pinakahihintay nating sandali. Mga Ibaeño, sama-sama nating saksihan ang pagpapailaw ng Christmas Tree of Care in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Have a sweet and Merry Christmas, Iban! Ito na po ang ating Christmas tree, giant Christmas tree of care, kumikislap sa ganda, tamis at pag-asa. Talagang Paskong kay tamis, liwanag at pag-asa. At isa ng ating kababayan, magdadamayan, pagkalinga na may malasakit sa bawat isang pamilya, Ibaeño mula sa pamahalang lokal ng Bayan ng Ibaan. Maligayang Pasko, Bayan ng Ibaan!